This kit comes with metallic gold, white, black and confetti balloons, net curtains, double-side tape, balloon arch strip, a ribbon, hooks, string lights and birthday banner. Stick the fairy lights to the wall you want to decorate. Use any clip to put the ribbon through the net curtains, then stick the hooks to the wall and hang the net backdrop. Inflate the balloon. Tie the knot. Put knot in the hole of the strip. Similarly, add all the balloons to make the garland. Hang or clip the birthday banner to the curtain or the balloon garland.